Business administration is also an economy, saying that helps company to have better earning and apply all the knowledge in the moment of solving problems. To be a good administration has to have a good planning, coordination, and control over the good and bad situation. In this career, you study finance, mathematics, economy, calculation, English, math, science, computing, etc. This career requires a lot of industrious and mathematics skills. Is it hard? Maybe, but not impossible. All it needs is study a lot and don't go big hopes. The purpose of this article is informing people of the career. Here we talk about what it is hard to be a good administration, the subjects and the